Hey everyone, it's Anna with Adventures in Cardboard, and today I got another sword build for you. So, for those of you in our Tuesday residencies, you've already gotten these. These are doggy daggers. Doggy dagger tigers. Doggy tiger daggers. Play around with that. That's kind of fun. They have the little dog head on top. You should have gotten 2 of these. I have only 1 here. I'm just going to show you how to build one. They're the same build. Let's get into it. Let's have some fun with our little puppy dogs. Yeah. Wow, this bamboo is already pretty well secured in there. So I'm going to add a little bit more tape, secure it over here, but that's nice. Remember how to put bamboo inside a sword? You're going to start by putting your tape. Here's a happy little refresher in case you don't. Start by putting your tape on top of the bamboo, smoothing to the sides of the bamboo, and then onto the cardboard. So I like to think of it as with this piece right there, and then fingers down on the sides, and then on the cardboard like that. And if you take a really close look at that, you'll see that my tape is perfectly pressed to the bamboo. That's what I want. Alright, next step. To pinch the sides. This is going to require some muscles. All of you should be building up your thumb muscles at this point. They should be really strong. I challenge you to a thumb war. When social distancing is over and it's safe for all of us to be out and about and to interact with each other, let's see who wins after we have finished all of our armory builds. I bet it's going to be me. I'm going to win. It will be a challenge. Alright, so taking my first little piece of tape, starting to pinch. So a quick little note, when you're getting to small spots like this area here, or all of these spots up here that are a little bit harder to tape, go for smaller pieces. Those are going to help you. They're your secret strength. The smaller you make them, sometimes the easier they are to get at these corners. So I just tore that tiny piece into an even tinier piece to help me do that. And it's beautiful. Small pieces for the win. Alright, I'm done. My first dagger is complete, and look at it. It's so cool. It almost reminds me of the ancient Egyptian tradition of mummifying cats and other animals. Almost looks like a mummified dog. But remember, at Adventures in Cardboard, we do not mummify our swords, because it means our swords are weaker. If moisture gets trapped under all of that tape, then the sword itself is going to fall apart. Whereas when you have exposed cardboard like this, those little bits, the moisture is able to get out, and that cardboard actually dries tighter together. So, this is a good mummification, only because it's not actually mummified, and it just looks like an Egyptian mummified dog. Very cool. I love this design. I'm excited to get a fight with it. I like the hold. I really like this little feature here. I think that was well designed. So, I hope you all enjoy building yours. And, again, sometime when this is all over, we'll have a giant thumb war competition. Alright, until next time, bye!